This $50 gadget can save your life. Are you still driving without essential gadgets that could save you money, protect you legally, and make every journey safer and more convenient? The car gadget market in 2026 has delivered some incredible innovations that transform your driving experience, from documenting accidents to avoiding expensive tickets to diagnosing problems before they become catastrophic failures. The reality is that modern driving involves risks and expenses that simple gadgets can dramatically reduce or eliminate entirely. In this comprehensive guide, we're counting down the top 5 car gadgets you absolutely must have in 2026. But wait until you see our number 1 pick. It literally pays for itself by preventing just 1 speeding ticket. Number 5. NextBase IQ Dash Cam Smart Protection. The NextBase IQ Dash Cam starts our list as the intelligent dash cam, proving that AI-powered features transform accident documentation. This smart device demonstrates that modern dash cams provide far more than simple video recording. What makes the NextBase IQ essential is the 4K video quality, capturing clear license plates and road details, providing undeniable evidence during accidents. The intelligent parking mode with AI detection wakes the camera when impacts or suspicious activity occur, protecting your parked car automatically. The built-in 4G connectivity automatically uploads critical footage to cloud storage, ensuring evidence is preserved even if camera is stolen or damaged. The emergency SOS feature automatically alerts emergency services and shares location during serious accidents, providing critical help faster. The witness mode records bystanders and automatically captures their statements, providing additional evidence supporting your case during disputes. The reasonable pricing, around $400, delivers professional-grade protection against false accident claims that could cost thousands in increased insurance premiums. Number 4. Anker 747 Car Charger Power. Everything coming in at number 4 is the Anker 747 Car Charger, proving that powerful multi-device charging is essential in modern vehicles. This compact charger demonstrates that keeping devices powered prevents countless frustrations during daily driving. What sets the Anker 747 apart is the incredible 150 W total output, charging laptops, tablets, and phones simultaneously during road trips and commutes. The dual USB-C ports with power delivery provide fast charging for modern devices, getting phones from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. The compact design fits flush in car cigarette lighter socket without protruding awkwardly or blocking adjacent ports and controls. The intelligent power distribution automatically adjusts charging speeds, ensuring all devices receive optimal power without overheating or damage. The universal compatibility works with virtually all devices, from iPhones to Android phones to laptops, eliminating need for multiple chargers. The affordable pricing, under $50, delivers charging capability that prevents dead phone emergencies and enables productive work during long drives. Number 3. FiXD OBD2 Scanner. Know your car. The FiXD OBD2 scanner secures the third spot, proving that understanding your car's health prevents expensive surprise repairs. This diagnostic tool demonstrates that early problem detection saves thousands in repair costs over vehicle ownership. What makes FiXD essential is the simple plug-and-play installation, requiring zero mechanical knowledge, just plugging into OBD2 port under dashboard. The smartphone app translates cryptic check engine codes into plain English, explaining exactly what's wrong without mechanic interpretation. The maintenance reminders track oil changes, tire rotations, and service intervals, ensuring you never miss critical maintenance, preventing major failures. The sensor monitoring tracks engine performance and identifies developing problems before they cause breakdowns or expensive damage. The wear forecast predicts which parts will fail soon, allowing you to budget repairs rather than facing emergency expenses. The affordable $60 pricing pays for itself immediately by preventing one unnecessary mechanic visit for simple issues you can diagnose yourself. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Live Connected Witness. Taking the runner-up position is the Garmin Dash Cam Live, proving that connected dash cams provide real-time monitoring and cloud backup. This advanced camera demonstrates that cellular connectivity transforms dash cams from passive recorders into active protection systems. What makes the dash cam live special is the built-in LTE connectivity, allowing live viewing of your car from anywhere through smartphone app. The automatic incident detection immediately sends alerts to your phone when accidents occur, even when you're away from vehicle. The continuous cloud recording uploads footage, automatically ensuring evidence is preserved off-device, preventing tampering or theft, destroying proof. The vault storage provides 24 hours of cloud footage with optional unlimited plans, ensuring critical evidence is always retrievable when needed. The driver alerts warn about red light cameras, sharp curves, and speed changes, improving safety beyond just recording accidents. The integration with Garmin ecosystem syncs with navigation devices, creating comprehensive connected car experience with seamless data sharing. Number 1. Escort Redline 360C Radar Detector, the game changer. Finally, here it is, the number 1 car gadget you absolutely must have that literally pays for itself by preventing just one speeding ticket, the Escort Redline 360C Radar Detector. This isn't just another car accessory, it's a complete protection system that saves you from expensive speeding tickets, insurance premium increases, and potential license suspensions, proving that investing $700 once prevents thousands in fines and insurance costs, making this the smartest money you'll ever spend on your car, with benefits that continue paying dividends for years. The Escort Redline 360C features extreme long-range detection, identifying police radar from miles away, providing ample warning to adjust speed before entering enforcement zones. What makes this detector truly extraordinary is the dual antenna system, providing complete 360-degree protection, detecting threats from front, rear, and sides, eliminating blind spots. The advanced filtering eliminates false alerts from automatic door openers and collision avoidance systems that plague cheaper detectors, creating boy who cried wolf situations. The auto-learn intelligence remembers false alert locations, automatically muting them on future drives, creating quieter, more useful detection without manual programming. The crowdsourced real-time alerts from millions of Escort users warn about speed traps, red light cameras, and police activity, sharing intelligence instantly.